Hi everyone, we are here to do our sound pack. So let's get ready. I'll say the sounds and the rules and I'd like you to join in with me please. A at the end of words. First choice for spelling. G and J when followed by an E, I or Y. A and U at the end of an open syllable. Qu. Q and U are always together because they're best friends. E, I, piece of pie. Use I at the end of short words, E in the middle of words. B, ch at the end of a short word after a short vowel, the T is silent. F, as in phone. And th. First sound y at the beginning of words. Second sound I at the end of short words. Third sound E at the end of a longer word. Fourth sound I in the middle of words. K at the end of a short word after a short vowel. E as in key, found at the end of words. Ch, sh. Oo as in fruit, found in the middle of a word. Second choice for spelling. Oi, found at the end of words. E, d, or t indicates past tense. Ank, o and o at the end of an open syllable. A, E, I, O, U. As in right. At the beginning of words, the W is silent. All at the end of a short word. Or as in saw, at the end of words unless followed by a single L or N. Shun as in construction, found at the end of a longer word. Cha as in picture, at the end of a longer word. E in the middle of a word. Sul as in castle, found at the end of a longer word. Oi in the middle of a word. Ah. Shun as in mansion, jun as in vision, at the end of a longer word. I and I at the end of an open syllable. O, ow, slow, cow, found at the end of words unless followed by a single L or N. K, e and E at the end of an open syllable. Ang, ow as in ouch, found at the beginning or middle of a word. E, eat, bread, found in the beginning or middle of a word. U, oo, few, screw, found at the end of a word. Unk, O in the middle of a word. Or as in daughter, usually followed by a T. N as in night. N as in knife. At the beginning of words, the K is silent. U, dew, clue, found at the end of a word. Or, second sound, that's our schwa sound, as in doctor, found at the end of words that end with a T or an S. Age, as in baggage, at the end of a longer word. Onk, as in church, third choice for spelling. O, or as in auto, found at the beginning or middle of a word. A, found in the middle of a word. D, I, as in light, usually followed by a T. Ing, present tense. A as in 8, usually followed by a T. Oo, up, moon, book, found in the middle of a word. V, no English word ends in V. It's always followed by an E. S, second sound, Z, when trapped between two vowels. J, no English word ends in J. K, second sound, S, when followed by an E, I, or Y. J, at the end of a short word after a short vowel, the D is silent. Ong, or as in fort, usually followed by a T. Ink, ung, at and a at the end of an open syllable. Thanks for joining in with our sound pack, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.